Nu'ayman ibn Amr, also known as Abu Ubaidah, was one of the companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and is regarded as one of the funniest Sahabis in Islamic history. He was known for his humorous nature and his ability to make people laugh, including Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself. He belonged to the Banu an-Najjar of Medina and was among the city's early Muslims. He was one of those who pledged allegiance to the Prophet in the second pledge of Aqaba. He was a man of great humor and used his wit and humor to lighten the mood of those around him. He was always ready with a quick joke or a clever remark and enjoyed making people laugh. His sense of humor was so infectious that even the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would laugh at his jokes. He was also known for using his humor to diffuse tense situations and bring people together. He was a beloved companion of the Prophet, despite him fighting in the battles of Badr, Uhud, Khandaq, and other major encounters. He remained a light-hearted person. One of the most famous stories about Nu'ayman bin Amr involves a prank he played on some of the other Sahabis. One day, Nu'ayman bin Amr decided to play a prank on some of his fellow companions. He filled his water skin with milk and offered it to them, telling them that it was water. The Sahabis drank the milk, not realizing it wasn't water until they finished drinking it. They were surprised and amused by the joke and laughed at Nu'ayman's cleverness. Another story involves a game of wrestling that he played with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Nu'ayman was a skilled wrestler who challenged the Prophet to a wrestling match. The Prophet accepted the challenge, and the two men wrestled for a while. However, Nu'ayman was so skilled that he was able to pin the Prophet down and hold him there. The other Sahabis were surprised and amused by the sight of the Prophet being pinned down by Nu'ayman, and they laughed at the situation. The incident that made the Prophet Muhammad laugh involved his beard. One day, he came to the Prophet with his beard dyed yellow with henna. When the Prophet saw him, he started laughing and asked him why he had done that. Nu'ayman replied that he wanted to look good for his wife, and the Prophet laughed even harder. Nu'ayman ibn Amr was also known for his love of animals, and he would often play with them and make them part of his jokes. One day, he came across a group of camels and decided to play a prank on them. He covered himself in a blanket and pretended to be a camel, walking among the groups of camel and making funny noises. The camels were confused and amused by the sight of Nu'ayman pretending to be one of them, and they followed him around, making their own funny noises. Another incident, Nu'ayman was approached by a man who wanted to buy a camel. Nu'ayman agreed to sell the man a camel, but he told him that the camel was very stubborn and would only listen to him. He then sold the man a camel that was actually blind, so he wouldn't be able to tell who was riding it. The man was surprised and amused by the situation and laughed at Nu'ayman's cleverness. Despite his love of humor and his penchant for pranks, Nu'ayman bin Amr was also a devout Muslim who was deeply committed to his faith. He was known for his piety and his devotion to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was a loyal companion of the Prophet, and he fought alongside him in battles and supported him in his mission to spread the message of Islam. He lived up to the time of Muawiyah, when fitna saddened him and discord filled him with anguish. He lost his levity and laughed no more. He died in 652 CE. Nu'ayman bin Amr was one of the funniest Sahabis in Islamic history. His quick wit and sense of humor made him a beloved figure among the other Sahabis. His ability to make even the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, laugh is a testament to his humor and cleverness. Despite his love of humor, Nu'ayman was also a devout Muslim who was deeply committed to his faith and his devotion to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.